him in the left. I've been known. Thinking like who's
Veston was out of there faster than anyone else that day. Like I said, neighborhood security literally means
an idiot.
It's a quasi-military outfit.
Oh my God!
Holy shit. Oh my God,
Oh my God. Did that...
I don't know why they change between drivers, but this is what happens. So if you know these guys, please let me know.
He was teaching him how to drive. How much you want to bet? Because the other kid got in the passenger seat. They swapped.
No problem. If you know these guys, please let me know in the section below. Thank you. I am in Phoenix, Arizona.
Available after 10:30 a.m. The busy car park. Lap 3. Driver patience waning. These parking space lights never...
Oh, Jesus Christ!
Damage to front bumper. Imminent.
What's happening?
On your run?
I am.
No, I can't stay on the phone all day today. I've got a lot of stuff to do.
Jesus.
And I understand. You were looking out for your little girl. Still, not my finest hour, I said to the Grimms. But I appreciate
What the
Jesus
It's have to have had a fairly strong disconnect from reality to still think, well, he's going to put us in isolation.
view, hit. They got the vehicle at the 149 mile marker, 149, right-hand lane, slower to speed traveling per camera view. .88. Advised hit on camera view, hit. They got the vehicle at the 149 mile marker, 149, right hand lane, slower to speed traveling per camera view.